is the House of Feathers, and today we are doing a video on chickens or ducks. Which one is better, you may ask? Well, in this video you'll find out just the right one for you. You'll also find out the pros and cons of chickens and ducks. So let's get straight into it. Chickens are marvelous creatures. So let's go and check out their pros first before we get into their cons. Let us go. Pros of chickens. Everyone should have tasted chicken eggs. Chickens lay eggs frequently, which is a great thing. No more buying eggs from the supermarket. You get about 1 egg a day. It would also take about 26 hours for a chicken egg to fully develop in a chicken's body. So do not expect them to lay 2 eggs. More female chickens need more eggs. Chicken poo works great as fertilizer. This one is a big pro for gardeners because no more buying any more fertilizers from the shop when you can just scoop it up from the chicken coop. Chicken poo is great for plants. You can make your plants thrive. Chickens eat grasshoppers and other plant-eating bugs. They eat it with no hesitation. Chickens are easy to maintain. Chickens are very easy to maintain. All you need is food, water, and shelter. And other chickens. Chickens help control weeds, so this is also a great one for gardeners as you want no weeds in your gardens. Nope. Fresh homegrown meat. You'd feel super proud when you have butchered your first chicken. Their meat is so good. Just a reminder here, chickens require nesting boxes. Ducks don't require it, but chickens do. Chickens need nesting boxes. So these are some nesting boxes from Google that we have found. Chickens like to hide in crannies and stuff like that. They want to be hidden away and hide away their eggs as such. Now let's get into the pros of ducks. Ducks are very magnificent creatures. But today, we're going to have to list their pros and cons. But let's list their good side first because we want to know their good side first before we know their bad side. Besides, there's more pros than cons for ducks. So let's get into it. Some duck breeds are quieter than others. This isn't for all ducks, but here are some duck breeds that are quieter. For example, the Cayuga ducks is quiet as well as the Muscovy ducks. These two duck breeds are quiet, but the Muscovy ducks are quieter. Muscovy ducks hiss and chirp, but nothing like quacking. So that's a good pro. Ducks are gentler on your land. This is a great one, but it doesn't always happen. They're only gentle on your land, but if it has been raining or your ground is damp and wet, they may tend to dig holes in the ground. But other than that, they work great on your land. So yeah. Ducks are very lovable. They're so cute and are great to watch. Oh my gosh, they're so cute when they're babies, and they're also very cute when they're older. Both ways, they're very cute. So ducks lay eggs a lot. Ducks, like chickens, lay 1 egg a day, so don't expect a lot of eggs. Yeah, more females mean more eggs. Ducks are also very easy to contain. Ducks are very easy to care for, even easier than chickens. All they need is food, water, and other ducks, shelter as well. Other than that, these ducks are pretty much free roaming. You can have them as house pets. Ducks have less demanding housing requirements. This means your ducks don't need really fancy tools. They'll work with what they've got, but this doesn't mean you have to neglect ducks. Make sure you love them and care for them. But other than that, they don't need anything too fancy. Trust me. Ducks are hardier. Ducks are hardier. This means ducks are more resilient and capable of doing more stuff. So, that's a thing that's good. Ducks are more stronger than other birds. So, yeah, from the day they're born to when they're older, They're very strong. Trust me. Ducks get rid of your weeds. This is a great one for gardeners as well. Ducks get rid of your weeds pretty quickly, but they don't do it all the time. They mainly go for other things, but other than that, there's cleaning and maintenance. This is a big one as ducks are very messy birds and
Thanks for watching.